In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert motion presets in using Filmora. To insert a motion presets in animation, start by importing your video or image into Filmora. Drag the media onto the timeline, then click the clip to select it. Open the Animation tab in the Properties panel and go to the Preset Animations section. From the available presets, choose a Motion Preset in option and apply it to your selected clip. This will set the entry animation for your video or image. After applying the animation, adjust the duration by dragging the slider or entering a specific time value. Increase the duration for a slower entrance or reduce it for a quicker effect until you're satisfied with the timing. A motion preset in animation is commonly used when you want a clip to enter the screen with a predefined motion style. It helps create a smooth and consistent entrance effect across your project. And that's all you need to do to insert a motion presets in animation using Filmora. Thank you for watching the video.